Welcome back. A force F on a particle moving in a straight line varies with distance d as shown in figure. The work done on the particle during its displacement of 12 meter is. The variation of the force with displacement is given in the graph. This graph is known as the Fx graph. F is taken on y-axis and x is on distance is on x-axis, so it is known as the Fx or force displacement graph. Force F on a particle moving in a straight line varies with the distance d as shown in figure. The work done on the particle during its displacement of 12 मीटर, अगर वो 12 मीटर तक जाता है तो उसका वर्क डन कितना होना चाहिए, यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाने के लिए उसका वर्क डन फाइंड आउट करना है. We have the formula for work done with the help of graph. Work done is equal to area under the graph, and area under the graph is given by trapezium ABCD. Therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD. This can be divided into two parts: area of this rectangle plus area of this triangle. Area of this rectangle is area of rectangle ABC plus area of this triangle CDE. Area of rectangle is given by length into breadth. Its length is AB and breadth is AE, plus area of this triangle is half base into height. Half base is ED and height is CE. Therefore, W is equal to the value of AB. Say the value of AB is 2 because height of the point B from the x-axis is given 2, into what is the distance between A and E. A and E means 7 minus 3. A and E means 7 minus 3 plus half. What is ED? ED is 12 minus 7. Distance between E and D is 12 minus 7 into its height is again 2. Therefore, W is equal to 2 into 7 minus 3 is 4 plus half 12 minus 7 is 5 into 2. Therefore, W is equal to 2 into 4 is 8. 2 will get cancelled. 1 into 5 is 5. Therefore, W is equal to 13 joule. Therefore, answer is C, 13 joule. Thank you.